Hello, I'm Rick from Robot Mowing Solutions. We have the privilege today of showing you the Husqvarna Ceora wide area robotic mower. This mower is designed to mow larger areas up to 18 acres. This field, for example, is a 2 3/4 acre field. This is a large hardball field. It actually is currently mowing two of them, plus two large cross-country areas. And what it does with this staff is it frees them up to do more important things of field maintenance and so forth. So this robotic mower operates just like and on the same app as the smaller Husqvarna mowers, which have some up to 3 acres. So this is got proximity sensors on the front, so that's why I kind of moved out of the way, because it would sense me here and slow down. But this particular mower has saved and will save people thousands and thousands of dollars in labor costs. So I'm Rick from Robot Mowing Solutions. We can help you with different robots for your application to set up so that you can save lots of money, lots of time, and most of all, have your lawn perfect every day. It goes out and mows your lawn perfect every day. So it's just a great solution. So if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please give us a call. Rick from Robot Mowing Solutions.